everyone, today we're trying to get rid of this blue and green nightmare and turn it into a deep purple dream. First I need to wash my hair, just shampoo, no conditioner, and I'll be right back. This is washed and blow dried, so I've just washed my hair with shampoo, no conditioner as I said, because I heard I was not supposed to, and I'm good at doing what I'm told. There is some blue, there is some green, there is obviously some white. I just use vitamin C and shampoo. That video should already be up if you want to watch it, and I recommend it. Also subscribe, it's free and it's nice. So today we'll be using Deep Purple Dream by MANIC PANIC. It's vegan, it's cruelty free, and you know I love it. Let's go. Let's turn this nightmare into a dream. But first, let's get some things out of the way. Number one, I am not a professional. Number two, this color will get everywhere. Protect yourself and your surroundings. Number three, and this is kind of 2.5, wear a shirt you don't mind ruining. Mine says, why? You already know this shirt. Number four, wear gloves. And number five, use enough product. If you have all this hair, one is not going to be enough, okay? So, sorry about that. You're just going to spend that money. That's just how it is. So, accept it in your heart. Okay, let's get some gloves and let's get started. Okay, so I have my gloves on and I'm going to part my hair, really whatever. And remember what we talked about in rule number 2? Protect yourself. Spread some Vaseline all over your face. I'm going to start with the ends and then apply some to the roots. Let's pick up some dye and get right in. Oh, this is a beautiful color. I'm loving it already. I've done this multiple times. You wouldn't have known because I'm always so clumsy, but I've done this a lot. Let me just remind you, don't forget the back part of your head. It's easy to forget, don't forget it. So I've used an entire bottle for just the ends, and now I'm going to use the next one for the roots. Okay, so I've picked up a brush, I have the other bottle. Let's see how long it takes until I start using my hands again. Please be very careful with this because your entire house, your entire self, your entire neighborhood will be purple at this point. Supposedly you should be combing it as you apply it, but I cannot comb my hair in this particular situation. Should I cut all my hair off? Probably not. So 3 things. First of all, let's get rid of these gloves. Second, let's cover it with plastic. And third, let's clean this a little bit so I don't look like a Teletubby. Plastic cap on, and I'll clean myself and see you in about 3 hours. So it's been 3 hours since the last time we saw each other. I wanted to show you how this is looking. I'm going to wash it and I'll show you tomorrow because I have no light right now. See you tomorrow. Hi, so it's the next day and I wanted to come outside and show you how the color turned out. I'm pretty happy with how it looks. You can still see some whites, which I'm okay with. I'm an old lady. You know, I was born 80. And as far as I can see, there is no green. So we have that going on for us. Definitely give this color a try. I like it a lot. So the studio isn't ready yet, but I insist on filming here. So thanks for watching until the end. That's cool of you. See you next time.